welcome to my video. Sorry. So we have our 2099-9756 and our 4906 yeah, that number right there. 4906-9103. Yep. Then if our MS95 SL, we have our P2R LED, and our Faraday strobe. Our 5521-D evacuate strobe. In okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. It's in Dawn Mist. We have our Simplex Truler, which is in white. We have our Simplex Pulse Station, of course, red. Our MS95 SL, red. And our P2R LED in red. Soon I'm going to be getting a system sensor, P2W, hopefully. Yeah. So yeah, that's all the alarms so far in my collection. Kind of. All the working ones, at least. And the ones I think that work. We do have this one over here. It works, but it's a work in progress. This is a P2475 RLW. It's not going to have text when it's finished being restored, unfortunately, but yeah, it works. Yeah. We also have a Simplex True Alert cover with a crack. This one's for the fixed Candela devices. It's a bit discolored. So it kind of looks like on here. Kind of good, just kind of. And I guess actually, 1 second. This is what it looks like. Which cool. Now I'm just gonna pull the fire alarm real quick. Literally. 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding. Yeah, here it is. Here's it with your Simplex Pulse Station, of course. Then just do that. Here's this with your system sensor alarm. Yep. And here's this. Yep. That's all I have to say. No. And according to the date code, this is 1996. This I haven't identified yet. This I believe is probably 2025 or so. Yeah, I'm not sure, but this one's pretty modern, so yeah. This, I'm not sure, looks pretty modern also. This, I believe, is like 2023, I believe, 2023. Yeah, let me see. Code. Yeah, I think it's like maybe 2024. Not sure. But yeah. Oh, and I forgot to also show I have a new demo board. It's still a work in progress, kind of, but it's much better. Oh, okay. Still a work in progress, but it's much better than before. So here's the top of the demo board, and then didn't have to do that. Yep, it's pretty cool. Now is it? Here's what it kind of looks like with a device on it. Don't want to damage it, so that's why I'm not gonna mount it. You know, you can just imagine kind of like that, kind of like this, or with this, whatever, any alarm you like. Oh, we can't forget Mr. Red Lens. Now here's the shell for the red alarm. Just your normal true alert. No internals. Here he is. Yeah, no, just. There we go. I'm all. Soon I'm gonna have a P2W. Hopefully it comes and works. Hope you enjoyed my video. And yeah.